Teacher,
Hi, good morning. I am who? Good morning. This is Teacher Lilibet again. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Papa.
Lilibet.
Lilibet, yes. We have here Papa, Marin, Iboa, Maya, Boy, and also have A and M and
They are worksheet or notebook.
yeah, you can, yeah, because I just sent the worksheet. I just sent the worksheet. I don't know if all of you can print it already, but I sent it already. If you print it, good. But I also let you write something, so you also have to prepare your book, okay? You also have to prepare. Let them prepare also books, ka. And also worksheet, the math.
Okay.
Yeah, the math notebook. I also let you write something today. So tomorrow we will go on site already. All teachers will go on site. So if I sent already your worksheet. Okay, I sent already your worksheet in our group. But if you cannot print it, the school will give you an instruction when you are going to pick up your worksheet at school. Because we will go on site already starting tomorrow.
Okay.
Your worksheet at school, okay? If you cannot print this worksheet that I sent, but if you print it already, it's much better, okay? Okay. So to those who wants to go to school to pick up the worksheet, the school will give you an instruction. We will start go online on site tomorrow. Teachers only. You cannot go to school yet. Continue online, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let us start now. I prepared this one for you. Okay.
ตั้งใจเรียนนะ
เรียนพรุ่งนี้ก็ได้พรุ่งนี้มันเรียนอีก
Okay, welcome to our math class. Math for math. Okay, so okay, our topic for today is about addition and subtraction. Okay, this is our topic for today. Addition and subtraction. Now let's go to that. You have to look at the sign. This is the sign of addition and the sign of subtraction. You need to look at the sign very carefully so you can identify if the question is addition or subtraction. This is the sign of addition and this is the sign of subtraction. Okay, you have to look at the sign very carefully. So you can answer. Your answer will be correct. Okay, so I want you to write this one down. Can you take a picture to this one? Can you take a picture to this one? Take picture to this one. Because I want you to write this one in your book. I want you to write this one in your book. This is very important. Problem solving keywords. This is the keywords of addition and subtraction. You need to know the keywords of addition and subtraction. You have to write this one in your book. Take a picture. Take a picture first.
I don't have.
Take a picture first, this one. Take a picture and you have to write this one in your notebook. No, this one that you send in your screen. You take a picture so you will write this one in your notebook. On your notebook. You have to write this one in your notebook, okay? Write this one in your notebook. But for this time, you have to take a picture first on all of the Yes. You have to write this one in your notebook, but this time you have to take a picture first because you cannot finish. I will discuss more, okay? Have you take a picture to this one? Okay, this one is problem solving keywords. Okay, this is the for addition. Yeah, math notebook. Okay, for addition, we have many keywords that we will use. We can use. Okay, keywords for addition. We can say add. For addition, there are many keywords.
Yes.
Okay, many different kind of features, or you can use different keywords in addition.
Yes.
Okay, yes. And, okay, you have to listen to this. In addition, you have to use this word, add, plus, and, total, sum, all together, and all, or, increase by, combine, both. Okay, this is the keywords we are in addition. This is the keywords that we can use when we are in addition. And in addition, okay, you have the common words, keywords that we use in addition is plus. This one, plus. Have you seen this one? Addition, or you can say add. Or you can say, like for example, 5 plus 5. And then here, 5 plus 5. So we are using the keyword plus. 5 plus 5. We are using the keywords plus. Okay, you need to know the keywords because so you will not confuse whether the question is addition or subtraction. Okay, the keywords. Okay, so you have to write this one down. And also, this one is subtraction. Okay, there are many keywords that we can use in subtraction. But the common words in subtraction is minus, and also take away. Some common words, but all of these, some of the teachers or students are using these keywords in subtraction. Okay, like for example, I will say 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. So I'm using the keywords minus. I'm using the keywords minus. 10 minus 5. Or you can also say 10 take away 5. You can use the word take away. You can use the words take away. Okay. Oh, so these are the words that you can hear. And addition and subtraction. These are the keywords. Okay, these are the keywords. This is the words that we are using to replace the word subtraction and addition. This one is the keywords. The common keywords of addition is plus. The common keywords of subtraction is minus. But there are many keywords that we can use. Okay? So now let's go to this one. I want you to look at this one. Look at the sign. This sign is addition, right? This is addition. Okay, can you help me answer this one? Okay, this is very easy for you. Can you help me answer this one? Marine, Papa, help me answer this one first. Marine, help me answer this one, Papa.
4.
Leah, all of you, help me answer this one. 4. plus
เดี๋ยวนะ
อันนี้
เธอไปฟังคุณเนี้ยเห็นมาตรงนี้เลยเนาะเดี๋ยวเราไม่จะตก
5. Okay, very good. All of you help me answer this one first.
เห็นไหม
Okay, 6.
โอ้โห
ตั้งนานแล้ว
ครูถาม
6 plus 3 equals
ก็สี่
equals
เขาให้อ่านเป็นภาษาอังกฤษวันที่กี่โปรไฟล์ซิก
9. The answer here is 9. Okay, help me answer this one first.
เขาให้
Okay,
อ่าน
8.
เป็นภาษาอังกฤษ
Can you read it?
8
Plus 2 equals
10
yes 10. The answer is 10. Let's go to this one. 3
เขียนตามตา
plus
4
equals 4. Okay.
เขียนแต่สี่
4. Okay, then can you help me answer this one? Plus, look at the sign.
equals
7. The answer here is 7. Okay. So this is the sign of addition. This one is addition. So we are using plus keyword. Keywords plus. Okay. Now let's go to subtraction. Look at this one.
6
Okay. Look at this one.
7
Look at this one.
ลูกเขียน
This one now we are now in subtraction.
ก็ไม่มีเฟซ
Okay. We have you seen the sign? This is the sign of. This is the sign of
มันมี
subtraction. This one is the sign of subtraction. So we need to
ไม่ได้โจทย์ถามหนู
subtract.
นี่ไง
We need to minus. Or we need to take away. Okay, 5. We have here 1, 2, 4, 5. Minus.
เท่าไหร่
Okay, minus 2. Equals. Okay, 3. So the answer is 3. In subtraction, you need to take away. Okay, so the answer, the remaining answer here is 3. So the answer here is 3. Yes, very good. So now let's go to this picture.
เนี่ยซี
3 minus
กับสามได้เท่าไหร่
Yes, you have to take a 3 minus 3. So the answer remaining is 0. Okay, the answer here is 0. Now let's go to 4 minus 2.
ไปน้องให้หน่อยสี่ลบสองเลยนะสี่ลบสอง
Okay, so you have to take away 2. You have to put next to, and the remaining is
สี่
2.
หาร
The
สอง
answer here is
ก็ไม่
2.
สอนในการส่ง
Okay. Now let's go to this one. So this example.
1
Okay, 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay, all you have to do is to take away 2 and the remaining, the answer here is 1.
ลบ
Okay, now let's go to the last one.
2
Okay, 6 minus 4 equals 2. So we have to take away 4. Yes, and the remaining, the answer here is 1, 2. The answer here is 2. Have you seen? Have you hear me?
Yes,
I am using different,
ไม่ยอมฟังครู
different
ไม่ไป
keywords.
แล้วไม่ฟังครูไม่รู้เรื่อง
Okay, so keywords is very important. Minus, take away, remaining. Okay, you have to write down that one, the keywords of addition and subtraction. Okay, now to look at this one. This is you have to identify the sign. Okay, you have to identify the sign if it is addition or subtraction. Okay, this one. Look at here.
อะไรมือ
ไม่เป็นไรนี่ทำให้ดีบวก
5.
5 ต่อไป
Okay. And the sign is addition. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now let's go to this one. Look at the sign.
4
Look. Minus 2 equal
2. The answer here is
4 minus 2 here's 2
okay. Now let's go to this one. Let's go to this one.
5 minus 3
เดียวกัน
Minus
ทำไม
3
ไม่เว้น
equals
แถวเยอะจังอ่ะไม่วางตรงนี้แล้วไม่กลัวเกลียดกัน
okay. And now here, look at the last question. Okay. 4 plus. So this one is plus sign. 2 plus 2 equals
หนูก็มานั่งที่คุย
4. Okay. So you need to get very familiar with the sign and also the keywords. Okay. Keywords of addition, keywords of subtraction, and the sign. Okay. Okay. So I show you here something
ยังไม่
very
ถูก
short
ไม่
clip.
รู้ว่าของจะอะไรหนูอ่านอะไร
So to those
หนู
who
อ่านซิยายจะได้
don't
ถูก
feel confused yet, you have to listen this one. This is a very short clip.
Hey there, how's it going? Today, we're gonna learn how to add and subtract within 20. Let's dive right in. Here, we have 5 yellow flowers. Let's give them to our friend Peter.
Very familiar with subtraction.
As Peter is walking in the park, he stumbles upon 2 more flowers. How many flowers does he have in total now?
How many flowers?
Let's see. We gave him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. And he found 1, 2 more flowers. So altogether he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. Peter has 7 flowers. Let's try addition one more time. What is 8 plus 4? Let's say we've got 8 cars. Whoa, that's a lot of cars. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's say we buy 4 more cars. How many cars are there now? That's 8 plus 4.
Equals?
That's right. We have 12 cars in total now.
Equals 12.
Now for the second part, subtraction. There are 6 friends playing at the park. 2 of them have to go home early. How many of them are left? That's 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now your turn. Let's try 10 minus 3.
10 minus 3.
If you have 10 balloons and give me 3, how many are you left with? 10 minus 3 equals 7.
Yes.
Great
You
job.
are very good. So you know now how to, you are very good now and you are very good now in counting numbers. So I want to say for now, okay, our time is already up. I sent the worksheet for this one already and you have to answer it, okay? I sent you the worksheet. If you have time, starting tomorrow, you can go to school and pick up your worksheet if you want. But if you want, you just print it.
พรุ่งนี้ต้องไป
So
โรงเรี
thank
ยน
you so much, Kitri.
เราก็ไปเรียนพรุ่งนี้มันถึงเดินกันได้
Thank you so much. And see you in our science, okay? Just bye-bye for now. We will just stop and then see you again, okay? I'll see you in our science. Bye for now. I want to see your heart sign first. I want to see your heart sign first. Okay, bye. See you in our science. Thank you.
class
Our science. Okay, bye. See you in our science.